Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Cuddle, and for this Kung Fu combination, we're working with the double axes. So grab your axes and let's get to work. Now, I'm using my wooden axes. If you didn't see in the last video, I actually built these ones. I love woodworking, and I kind of like the juxtaposition of making an axe out of the material that it would be used to chop. So it's kind of that nice little yin-yang for that. All right? So let's get to work on this combination. This is a simple combination. We're not doing many movements, but a lot of what we're gonna do is horizontal chops or slices for this one. So what we'll start is cat stance position. Our back hand's gonna just chop up towards the neck. Okay, now, if you land it there, you're pretty much done. However, we're gonna continue through on this combination in case it's blocked or in case you didn't strike hard enough to get the job done. All right, so again, cat stance here, chop towards the neck, bring the back one forward as you advance, crossing forward, and then pressing, and then we're gonna follow up by stepping forward, and then this back hand's gonna swing through, okay? So again, we're gonna start chopping towards the neck, pressing forward, and then swing through. Nice, simple combination. Again, neck, body, body. Okay, of course you could alternate that, follow through that last one. If we wanted to go up high, you can always follow this one up to the neck again. All right, so again, neck, body, body. All right, really emphasize those stances because that's where power will come from. If you can do this in a low stance and move fast, you can raise the stances up and do it even faster. Okay, if you like this combination, don't forget to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe, and as always, check me out on Patreon. I have a lot of cool in-depth tutorials on that, and you can get access to all of that by becoming a patron, okay? Otherwise, if you have questions or comments, leave a comment down below, or find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, and wherever else I am, all right? Till next time, keep training. This is Sifu Cuddle.
Bam! Fist with a faux hawk.